Hello, welcome to our unique learning system math lesson. My name is Charlotte Lucas. I am an autism low incidence mentor teacher with Richmond Public Schools, and I am so happy to be able to work with you today. Our math lesson today is a geometry lesson titled Plotting Points on a Coordinate Plane. First, we will do vocabulary related to the topic. We'll identify some points on the coordinate plane. Then we'll practice plotting points on the coordinate plane. We have a lot to do, so let's get to work. Now, this is our second lesson on coordinate plane, but I'm going to go back over the major vocabulary words so that you'll have a good idea and a good review of what the coordinate plane parts are. So we generally do our coordinate plane on graph paper. As you can see, the squares that are in our viewer it's like graph paper. All right. So a coordinate plane has two perpendicular lines. They are called axes. There are two axes. There is the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is a horizontal line that runs left and right, and the y-axis is a vertical line going up and down. Each axis has numbers on it. There are negative numbers and there are positive numbers. The point that where the two lines intersect, that's called our point of origin, and that number is a 0. So on your x-axis, to the right of the point of origin, 0 here, are positive numbers. And on the x-axis to the left of the point of origin are negative numbers. On the y-axis, the point of origin again is 0. When we go up, the numbers are positive, and when we go down, the numbers are negative. Now, when you're plotting points on the coordinate plane, you have two numbers that represent where the point will intersect. When those two numbers are written in parentheses, they are called your ordered pair. The ordered pair will tell you where the point is on your graph paper. Now, let's see what we could use this coordinate plane for. If we look at our screen, this is a map. And this is a map of a movie theater. And over top of the map, we have put our coordinate plane, and we should be able to plot points to tell us where the different areas of the movie theater are. Theater 1, Theater 2, the water fountain, the arcade games, the lobby, the ticket window, and the concession stand. Using coordinate points, we should be able to find those areas. So let's see what type of activity we can do to find the points. These points have already been plotted. We have a point that intersects here at Theater 1, here at the arcade game, here at the lobby, and here at the concession stand. And we have an example of our ordered pair. The ordered pair is in parentheses. Now, when you see your ordered pair, it tells you whether you have a negative number or positive number. Here we have two negative numbers, a -5 and a -2. The first number in the ordered pair is for the x-axis. It's always for the x-axis. And the second number in our ordered pair is for the y-axis. So you will always have a consistent way of knowing which way you're going and which axis you're using. So for our activity today, our task is to find out where is Ryan going. It says Ryan is watching a movie at the movie theater. What are the different locations Ryan goes to at the movie theater? All right, let's see if we're able to find out where Ryan went. So our first ordered pair is -5, -2. There's always a comma in between, and they're always in parentheses. -5, -2. First, we go to our point of origin here, which is 0, And we always use the first number on our x-axis. So the x-axis says -5. We move here. And on our y-axis, which goes up and down, we want to move -2. On the y-axis, the negative numbers go down. 1, 2. It says we're at the lobby. Let's see if we're right. Excellent. We have a green box around our answer. That means we got it right. All right, let's see what our next plot is. 3 minus 3. Our ordered pair in parentheses tells us that the next point where Ryan went is +3, -3. So the first number is for that's right, x-axis, and the second number is for the y-axis. So let's see if we can find out where Ryan went. 3, if we start here on the x-axis, that is a +3, so we'll go to the right to the number 3, excellent. And then we need on the y-axis, we will go to the negative number 3, which is down, 1, 2, 3, and we see the concession stand. Let's see if we got that right. Miss Lucas is moving everything all around. Let's see. Excellent. That says we have a green box. That means we did it right. All right. Our next number, and I say that I'm making this bigger for you, but I'm really making it bigger for myself because Miss Lucas cannot see those small numbers. The next number in our ordered pair, which is in parentheses, is a +4, +1. We know the first number is for the x-axis. Very good. So let's go to our x-axis. 4 on our map, the x-axis 4, starting at our point of origin, we would move over to the 4, and then +1 on the y-axis, we would move up 1, and we're at the arcade game. Let's see if we got it right. Let's see, arcade game. Excellent. We got that one right also. And our last one says the last stop is -3, +5. The first number in the parentheses is for the x-axis and the second number is for the y-axis. Let's see if we can plot those points. So -3, we go to our point of origin, which is 0, where the two lines intersect. And we go to -3 on the x-axis, which will be to the left, 1, 2, 3. And then +5 moving up on the y-axis because our positive numbers go up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says we're at theater 1. Let's see if we got that right. Excellent. We got a green frame around our answer. So that means we got it right. Well, we did a great job with that. Let's see what we can find on our next map. Here we have some points on our map that we want to try and plot. Let's see. They have given us the coordinates in our ordered pair, and we need to move the points to where the coordinates are. Let's see if we can get them correct. Our first ordered pair is 5 -5, -5. I'm going to make this map a little bit bigger. See if we can get it. All right, I'll tell you what the points are, and let's see if we can get it correct. The first point is -5 on the x-axis and -5 on the y-axis. Let's see. Start here at our point of origin. And on the x-axis, the negative numbers are to the left, -5. And on the y-axis, which moves up and down, -5. Looks like that first plot, if we plot that, it's going to be here. Let's see if I can remember where that goes and put it in place. Excellent. We get that green frame. We know we have the right answer. Whoa, we did a good job with that. Let's try another one. The second one, I'm going to read it from here, and that way we don't have to keep moving this back and forth. But the next ordered pair is a -1, comma 2. So I'll let you see that. -1, comma, +2. The first number is for the x-axis and the second number is for the y-axis in our ordered pair. So let's have, we go to our x-axis, our point of origin. -1 on the x-axis will be to the left. Here's -1. And then a +2 on the y-axis. That would go up. 1, 2. Let's see if we can move that point and get that right. Excellent. I'm proud of myself. That's very good. All right, let's see what our next number is. The ordered pair is -5, +4. The x-axis is -5, the y-axis is +4. So let's go to our map and plot our points. -5, point of origin, x-axis first, -5. Excellent, here we are. For the y-axis, which goes up and down, we need to have our +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be here. I have to remember where it is. And let's put that right there. Excellent. But you see, I can always look across and know that that's my +4. Excellent. We did that correct. Excellent. All right, let's do our last one. So our last ordered pair is Ryan sees some speakers. And let's see where he goes to see those speakers. The ordered pair says the points are +4, +5, x-axis +4, y-axis +5. Let's see if we can plot those points and get our point in the correct spot. +4 on the x-axis. We're going to move to our right where the positive numbers are. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a +5 on the y-axis, which goes up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Let's see if we can remember where that goes. If Miss Lucas can remember where that goes and put it here. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of you. We did a very good job of that. I think that we might want to try another one. Let's see what we have. We plotted those points. We got everything. We read our ordered pairs and we put everything in the correct spot. Very good. Let's see. Here let's read what this problem says. This time, look at this. This time we have to put the ordered pair in. We have to use the points and put the ordered pair in. This is a challenge. I think we can do it. Let's see. We're going to do the orange dot first, which is here. And what we know, it says Ryan went to the ticket window. What is the ordered pair? And here is the dot that corresponds. We have to figure out where he went. Well, we know we have to do our x-axis first. So if we do our x-axis and we move to on the line where that is, and that looks like it's -3 on the x-axis. So let's put that in. See if we got that right. -3. Excellent. We got that one right. And then if it's -3 on the x-axis, what is it on the y-axis? And it's in the negative numbers. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like a -4. Let's put that in. Excellent. I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of you. We did a great job with that one. All right, let's find out where is this purple point? What are the coordinates for the purple point? Let's find out ordered pair. So the first number is on the x-axis. So let's go to the x-axis. This is our point. So the first number would be on the x-axis, a -3. Let's put that in. We got that right. Now let's go back to that point. We have to plot the y point for that. And quite frankly, I don't see where there's anything on. It didn't go up or down on the y-axis. It just stayed here. It has to be 2 points. There has to be a number that goes there. We've got to figure this out. It didn't go anywhere. It didn't go to 1 positive and it didn't go to 1 negative. What's the number? What is the number? Oh, wait a minute. Remember, this is 0. If it doesn't go anywhere, the point is 0. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Just 0. See, we figured it out. We have to have 2 points. And even though it looks like nothing happened here, the point is really 0. So our ordered pair is -3, 0. We figured that out. I'm proud of us. All right, let's see where the yellow point is. Let's see what number we have for the yellow point. Okay, that's over here. Let's see. X-axis first. Let's see. This is going to the right. So that's a positive number. And that positive number is a 4. So let's put that in and see if we have that point correct. +4. Excellent. Let's look at that yellow again. And what is that number on the y-axis? It didn't move again. It didn't go up on the y-axis. It didn't go down on the y-axis. There's not a number there. What is the answer? Oh, you know, I can't trick you. That number is what? 0. Well, let's see. Let's see if we got that right. On the y-axis, it didn't move anywhere. It didn't do anything. The point would be 0. Excellent. We got it right. You have to have confidence in yourself. And then our last point, which is this blue point here. Let's see if we can find our ordered pair for that. So we go to the x-axis first. And when we go to the x-axis, we see that that line is 4. So let's put our 4 in. Is that a positive or a -4? Did we go up or down? We went down. Oh, but we're doing the x-axis first, so we went to the right. See? So that would be a +4. I hope I'm right. Is that what you think? Let's give it a try. You're right, 4. Now we have to find the second point, and on this time it's going down on the y-axis. That means it's a negative number. 1, 2, 3, 4. -4. Let's see if that's correct. Excellent. Oh my, it seems we learned our lesson really well. And what shape will this, when we plotted those points, what shape did that make? Let's see if we can find a shape that works there. Let's see. Yes, the shape that those 4 points plotted is a rectangle. That is very nice. All right, let's see what we have. If we have another problem that we can solve. Well, those problems look like what we've already done. Let's see. I think we can find another problem to solve. Look at this little one. Here is a coordinate plane, and there's a very small shape in there. You think we can plot that? It's so small. You think we'll be able to do it? Let's give it a try. There are 4 points here. They're all in this area right here. We don't have to go up on the y-axis this time. Everything is down. So let's see if we can plot these points. The first point they want us to plot is the orange, which is A. The orange point, which is A, all the way down here. So we go to our point of origin. First, we're going to do the x-axis. Very good. You remembered. I'm so proud of you. So let's go to the x-axis. And this line for the x-axis for A looks like a -2. Let's put that in and see if we have it right. Yes, we have a green frame. We got the first point right. Let's see in the ordered pair if we can get the second number right. Now, we did the x-axis. Now we must do the y-axis. And on the y-axis, we're here on the x-axis. We have to move down, and we're going to move down 1, 2, and it is a -2. Let's see if we have that correct. Excellent. So the ordered pair for point A, see, they gave each point an alphabet name. So this alphabet name is A, this point. So, and that ordered pair for that is -2, -2. Excellent. All right, let's look at this purple. I want to call it purple. Yes, it is purple. Let's find B. The point B. The point is B. They gave it a name, B. And we need to find the ordered pair for us. Let's see if we can find the first one. So the x-axis first, and the x-axis for B is also a -2. Let's see if we got it right. Excellent. And for B, the y-axis, which goes down again, is 1, not 1, but -1. Very good. Let's put that in. Put our cursor in place first. -1. Excellent. I'm so proud of you. We are doing a great job with this. So now let's see. We want to get the yellow dot, which is C. The name of that dot, that point is C. And let's see, we'll get the points and then we'll put them in. For C, we have on the x-axis first. We're going to move over to the negative number 1. And then we're going to move down on the y-axis also a -1. The coordinates are -1, -1. So let's put in our ordered pair. -1, -1. Excellent. That is great. So our last point, which is point D, this point is named D for our on our coordinate plane, and it's the blue one. So let's get the coordinates and then we can move down and put our ordered pair in. So for the point D on our coordinate plane, x-axis first, -1. Y-axis, -2. -1, -2 for point D. Let's see if we're right. I always seem to forget. -1, -2. Let's see if we get that right on the y-axis. Excellent. Oh, I'm so proud of you. You did a good job. You worked with me. You hung in there. We had a lot of problems to do today. We used the coordinate plane and we plotted points. We found out our coordinates. We put in our ordered pair. You did a great job. I'm proud of you. I look forward to working with you again next time. Great job. Bye-bye now.